The Outrigger Canoes along, what's that? Well, we're gonna find out right now. I mean, this is where they seem to, I think they kind of practice here. And they go pretty quick, those Hawaiian Outriggers. So this is the Wai Canal here along the backside of Waikiki. See Diamond Head in the distance. It's the back half of Diamond Head. Lots of outriggers, lots of activity there on the other side. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Sun shining on the buildings. They're gonna go, watch this. These guys are fast, these guys are gonna race.
Yeah, he's telling him.
See them lined up, there's 4 of them there. Each canoe has 5 guys in it. 6, I think. Six.
Those guys are short.
I'm gonna walk down there. Here they go. Here they go. Lots of people jog along the Wai Canal. It's Honolulu in the distance.